Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hi, this is Rachel from TheRLSLife, and I know finally I got to play in some makeup. You know what I'm talking about? No rhyme or reason, just some time to myself. And I like to play in makeup, and I have not had the opportunity to do so. So that's what I sat down and did today. I recreated the look that you saw on the thumbnail of that I got from my Pinterest. If you want to follow me on Pinterest, it's also the RLS Life. Let me know how I did in the comments.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
People make time for what they want. You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I ain't gonna sit around waiting for you. Got a million other things I gotta do. Got a gig and a script that I'm taking my time with. Then I got signers, publishing got me thriving. I can't let a flake come and kill my mood. Don't even say a thing, don't act a fool. Ain't no need for arguments, I get back to my shining. Back to my grinding, you're ruining my timing. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Any people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Any people still around me think I'm fly. I I'm in your head, I got you feeling guilty. Your word is flimsy, nothing.
And get this thing started right now. My child.
You say it's real, see. Before I was stupid, I stay up and lose it. Was making excuses, I thought it was ruthless, but had to go through it. I had to learn, had to see it myself. Now I got the experience under my belt, so don't hit up my cell. You can give it up, pack it up. You and that selfish love, go and bother someone else. People make time for what they want, so if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. Make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. We got lie or waste of time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I let it slide. Let go, let go, let go.
We are building a castle. It's you, me, and Picasso. It'll take some time to find the right pieces, but I see the bigger picture. It's on your heart imprinted. How do we go about walking the distance when we grew up having it all in an instant? Special things happening more than an instant. So how do we go about walking the distance? You water the roses that I bring every morning. We both try the same.
Just because I don't want to get another palette. I have a green. I'm sure I have a green like that, but I don't feel like it. Juvia!
How do we go about walking the distance when we grew up having it all in an instant? Special things happening more than an instant. So how do we go about walking the distance? Who knows what's tomorrow? So get up, let's go dancing. You have whiskey or rum and look back on the car, hearing Johnny's guitar. Knows what's tomorrow? So get up, let's go dancing. You have whiskey or rum in the back of the car.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2,
Hey.
get some food in you. Step 3,
Well, I hope you got something from this video. As you can see, I just wanted to go through. It was a makeup therapy day. School getting ready to start. But I'm thankful to have a job done. Feel free to comment, subscribe, share with a friend. rewind, watch it again. You know. Thank you for your time. I'll be back soon. Bye.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Thank you.
Today's gonna be a
Thank
good
you.
day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Thank you.
Today's gonna be a
Thank you for watching. Thank you.